boom, boom, down. I need your heart. Oh, I need your heart. Oh, I need your heart.
Hi guys, I know it's been a few days since I vlogged. It's Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday, so a video went up. I wasn't feeling very inspired today or this week, but I will be vlogging. We're going out with my parents, so come along. All right guys, I am off to the store. And I'm going to Ulta to find these palettes. And hold on, to find these palettes. I wish I could hang it somewhere. Alright guys, I am off to Ulta. I am looking for these palettes, so we're gonna try this other Ulta to see if they have it. I don't remember. I think her name is Emily. It's a collab with Makeup Revolution, so I'm gonna go try to find these, and yeah, we shall see. Alright guys, we have arrived to Ulta. Gotta catch my purse. Sorry, I look crazy. Hold on. Gotta grab my stuff. Alright, here we go. I will show you Ulta. Here it is. Off we go. So this is my first time actually vlogging in here. But here we go. So I got this one. Actually wrong one. Oh my gosh, if I don't find what I'm looking for, I'm gonna get one of these. NYX. These bath bombs. So this is the one that I actually needed. ring the alarm, I think. Could be wrong. Alright, so we are looking for the Emily collaboration and I don't see it. As you saw, I was at Makeup Revolution. These are just a little spendy. It's not bad. Dude, ooh. Does this smell? This actually smells. More benefits. I want to try this one, but I'm not sure exactly. Next, I might get a Juvia's Palace. Makeup Revolution. I have this concealer. Maybe Morphe. Alright guys, so we didn't get what we needed, but well, we didn't get what we wanted, but we did get a few other things that I actually needed. So I'll show you guys that later. Now we are off to Walmart. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I am at Jamba Juice and I'm gonna get something to drink and then head to another store. And yeah, a lot of people just stare, but I'll show you Jamba Juice. That's Jamba Juice. Alright guys, change of plans. I just finished at Walmart buying some quick things for my mom. And I actually made some calls to an Ulta that's a little further from me. But I called them. They have both palettes that I want. And I am actually on my way there to pick them up now before they close. And yeah, I'm actually super excited. I was very bummed out. What is this? I'm sorry, guys. What in the world? Oh, that's lovely. My face is peeling. Alright, anyway, I'm sorry. I'm headed that way, and I'm actually so happy. And today I have to film a video that will go up tomorrow, which is Friday. And then you'll see this Saturday. So this is going to be... It will be yesterday's video, so yes. Alright guys, I know it's dark. Sorry, can't really see me, but I'm home and it's time to film.
I need your heart.